Hi everyone, this is Brad. Had a fellow teacher reach out to me today and ask how she could, send an email just with her voice. Well, here's how you can do it on Outlook on the web. So you want to go ahead and select New Mail. Then you want to put your information in, who you're sending it to, add your subject, and then come down here to the body of the actual email. Now you can see across the top you have Home, View, Help, but you want to go to Message. And when you do that, you want to look for the microphone. Now, once you do select the microphone, for the first time, you'll have to go ahead and go through the permissions, make sure to allow it. I've already, allowed it, so the permissions will be set. So here we go. Hello, everyone. How are you today? Now, you can see how it did miss the everyone. Could be one thing, just go ahead back in, put a little space, then go ahead and select the microphone again. Everyone, period. Okay, you can see how it went from period and then actually put a period in there. So that's how you could go ahead and use the dictation built into Outlook on the web. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.